Hi guys, this is your Spanish teacher. We have a new lesson today. Today we're gonna focus on the two major sounds that make the Spanish language so unique. That's the soft and the strong R. And here we are. We have an example here. For example, eh, pero, that's the soft R. Perro, that's the strong R. Caro, carro. Yeah. If you don't notice the difference in this class, we're gonna focus and I give you examples and how you can make the sounds, the articulations that are involved, and so on and so forth. So, without further ado, let's focus on the first major sound, that is the soft R. So this sound is made with the tongue, like it's a flat sound like a T in D. For example, the prior example, pero, like the tongue goes up and it goes down like a T or D, pero, or batter, that's an English word, batter, goes up or goes down very fast, batter, perro, pero, batter, pero, see, that's the similarities, but pero that means bad. Butter. Huh? Yeah, you see the vibration. It's very short, like in caro, uh, cans. We have another sound like in carne, mar, loro. Yeah, loro. Caro, pero, carne. Yeah. Don't focus too much on the translation of what it means in English. Just focus on the sounds. Yeah. Now, that's the first sound. Make it very short, and the tongue is relaxed. Ro, 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 pero, butter, caro, loro, loro. It's very short, and just like a D or like a D in English, or like the American R. But in the example that I gave you, butter. Very relaxed tone. Now, the second example, the second is a strong sound. Is the like a rolling R. That's how it is called, rolling R. You can try it by first. It's like 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 a machine gun. Try to make this lip thrill, like in driving a car, or like in a machine gun, and or try those exercises as much as you can, and and in addition to that, you can try adding a consonant to that R. For example, bra, 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 tra, tra, tro, tro. The air is, you pull the air like from the throat, and then you make like a vibration with your tongue. It vibrates your tongue like in bra, bre, bri, bro, bro. Yeah, try that exercise. So the first is try to make a very exaggerated, like when a kid driving a car, or like a machine gun, or the bra, bre, bri, bro, bro. You can add another consonant like tra, tre, tri, tro, tru. And you can practice with all the consonants that you want. Just try to make that vibration. Alright? Let me give you an example. That's perro, perro, perro. perro. Try to exaggerate, although we as native speakers don't exaggerate that much. Try to exaggerate, because when you exaggerate and make it slow, you try to make subconsciously you learn that sound, and then when you try to replicate it, it comes out naturally. Mhm. Perro, perro. Rápido, rápido, rápido. Carro, carro, carro. Río, río, río. Ah? There are some mistakes that are related to these two types of sounds. The first is that you are is stiff. Your tongue is too stiff and remains in the palate, like in the American R, ro, like for example, in the American R, it's very strong, and when Americans trying to speak Spanish, it's very noticeable that they're using that. But here we are trying to master that the sounds, like in pero and perro. Yeah? In the second sounds, rolling R, it's the air comes out, and there's a vibration with your tongue. Focus on that. So I'm gonna leave you a like a presentation of what we learned today, and try to practice it. Watch the video again if it is too hard for you to make those sounds. And always, practice makes perfect. La práctica hace